Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So today we're gonna do a game kasi tanda namin na medyo in demand yung videos na kasama yung friends ko. So today maglalaro kami ng Sell the Thing. Sell the Thing. So this is the mechanics of the game. I'll be inviting my friends to come over here, and they don't know what product we'll have. So there will be a sample product in this lugar. Tapos, ang gagawin is they're gonna sell the item. Ang ibebenta naman is Mika. Come on, Mika. Come here. Ikaw naman ang magbibenta.
Buy ko na yan. Wait lang, kanino to galing?
So guys, for the second item.
Kanino to galing? Kay Noah.
Let's see if magbibenta niya properly. Okay. So Mika, thank you so much for joining us today. I understand na meron kang product na gusto mo ibenta.
Yes, that's so true.
Okay, and why do you think people should have this product?
Una sa lahat, ito talaga yung pinakamasarap na natikman ko. And, as in, bata pa lang ako, ito na yung kinakain namin.
Siguro!
As in,
Ang galing.
So,
madami siyang flavors?
Yes. And, ang pinaka-bet kong flavor nito is yung strawberry.
Meron nga naman. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So, thank you so much. Feeling ko talaga, I'm interested in this product now. When do you think kailangan, or may certain time frame ba na kailangan kong gamitin itong product na to?
Actually, every birthday.
Every birthday lang?
Yes, kailangan nakahanda to sa lamesa nyo. Yes. Kasi, parang ito yung, ano ba yun yung?
Birthday cake?
No. Ito talaga yung parang lechon sa lamesa. Sobrang sarap na to. Para siyang lechon sa lamesa. And,
Star ng handaan.
yes,
Star ng handaan to.
Star ng handaan.
So, pang birthday lang siya pwede gamitin.
Birthdays, any occasions, like, kahit nga anniversary nyo, maganda na may gansa pa yung handa. Yes.
So, super special occasion siya. Hindi siya pwedeng everyday gamitin. For special occasions lang siya pwede.
Kasi doon mo siya matatandaan na, oh my gosh, ang sarap talaga. Kinain namin to nung anniversary namin ng asawa ko, diba?
I'm sorry.
Yun yung nagpapa-special dito. Kaya, ito talaga yung i-recommend ko na handa sa lahat ng special occasions.
Okay,
So,
congrats.
kailangan mabili nyo to.
Very
Sobrang
good, guys.
worth
No?
it.
It's so great. So, next question for our viewers. So, thank you so much, Mika. Sa tingin ko, our viewers think that this is a good product. But,
I know.
anong age do you think are allowed to have this and demographic na product?
Actually, kahit nga toddlers, pwedeng makatikim neto. Kasi, kahit yung mga birthday ng 5 years old, siguro 5 years old, para ma-appreciate na nila kasi nakakalasa na sila ng iba't iba na yung palate nila eh. So, feeling ko, ma-appreciate talaga nila to, yung toddlers, and kahit senior na, sobrang magugustuhan nila yung lasa nito. Especially yung strawberry.
Galing naman. So, ibig sabihin, so toddlers hanggang kahit matanda pwede siya.
Yes.
So, even you, how many, do you have this na?
Oo naman, every time na may occasion sa amin, mag-birthday nga yung daughter ko. So, this coming July, we'll definitely have this on our table.
Yay! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, that's so perfect. And since you have it naman, since meron ka na sa bahay mo and whatever, what family member do you recommend na binibigay itong product?
Actually, sa inyo guys, sa inyo, my friends and my family.
That's fair.
My family.
Okay, that's fair. Okay, thank you so much, Mika. You really sold us a very nice product. And guys, now Mika will see what product she sold na madaming flavors and maganda sa palette ng mga bata. Okay, let's see. It's a nostril inhaler.
Masarap to guys sa handa.
Oo, pwede naman technically. Sa handa talaga siya. Panghanda lang siya.
Paghanda yan. Paghanda yan, pag may himatay ka na.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, since nga you're watching some of our videos, please do watch here, and also subscribe here. But thank you so much!